Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Prolific Tribe Farming Vlog. So today I came in here to see how my birds are doing. I have the American Cayuga, I have the Peking ducks, and also I have the Muscovy. So you can see how it is snowing outside heavily, guys. Heavily snowing outside. I mean, it's crazy today. So this episode is I knew a lot about Cayuga dogs, so I know how they behave, and most especially during the winter when it's cold, they behave differently. They lay a lot of eggs. Mine, they lay a lot of eggs during the winter. So I came in here to check to see if I can find eggs because they usually lay eggs in random places. So let's see what we have. Okay, I found one black Cayuga dog's egg. Look at how black it is. Okay guys, this is how the Cayuga dogs they lay their eggs all over the places in random places. So let's check. Okay, more eggs, more eggs. Okay, they lay eggs randomly in different locations. Look at how these eggs were laid and hidden. Very difficult to get these eggs. Just three now. Okay, this is the fourth one. Look at how they're laying eggs all over the places. It's difficult to actually get all the locations of the eggs. In summer, in winter, we just had to lose almost all the eggs because they lay eggs in very random environment. So let's see if we can get some more. So welcome to daily vlog of Cayuga. Look at how many eggs they have laid. So guys, look at how many have found and look at how many are here. So guys, I think this is just not long ago laid. It's a fresh new egg. This also is a fresh new egg. This is a fresh new egg. So how many eggs do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Just even 14 because of the one I broke. So guys, hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Peace.